This video tutorial is on how to use the calendar. So from the dashboard, I'm going to click on Calendar. The calendar is going to be a really neat feature because you can add your lesson plans to this calendar, you can add your ARC meetings, you can keep up with your entire calendar all in one if you prefer. So I'm going to start by adding a student. Before I add an ARC or add a class, I'm going to add a student. So I'm going to click on Caseload, click Add Student, and I'm going to make up a name. If you would like to enter this information in, you can, but it is not a required field. You can add parent and guardian information if you would like, but it is not a required field. You can keep up with IEP dates, any type of eligibility or service times that are required, how many minutes. Okay, so I have added a student. His name is James Dobson. And then I'm going to click on Calendar. So I'm going to add James Dobson for a counseling session tomorrow. This video tutorial will show you how to use the calendar. From your dashboard, you can select Calendar. I love the features of this calendar because I can not only add students, I can add lesson plans, I can add my ARCs, I can keep up with my entire day on my calendar. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a student. Before you can add a student on your calendar, you should enter that student into your caseload. Mary Smith. You can add these other features, but they are not required fields. You can add parent and guardian information if you need to, but they're not required. You can also add any type of service time that might be on the IEP for a school counselor, and the amount of time that you have spent or are going to spend with this child. So here is my student, Mary Smith. I can now go to my calendar, click on the date, click Mary Smith, add tomorrow's date, what time I want to start, and my end time. So if I'm adding just one student, I may want to choose some counseling curriculum. So if this child, for example, is struggling to tell the truth, I could use a camera full of lies. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to click Next. And if I needed to add any notes, I can add the notes and click Add Event. It will show up on my calendar that I am scheduled to counsel with this child at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So let's say that I want to add a class, that I'm going into the classroom and I'm going to do a social and emotional learning lesson. I'm going to click on caseload. Student group is when you're going to add multiple students, so what I would recommend is just click add student, and let's just name it Mrs. Jackson. Save. When I go to my calendar to add Miss Jackson on to tomorrow as well, I'm going to say she will be at 11:30, and I will be in there until 12:30. Here I'm going to be doing a social and emotional learning lesson, so I'm going to scroll down to my interactive SEL, and I'm going to choose Let's Learn Our Emotions for grades K through 1, and click Next. Click Add Event, and it shows that I have 2 appointments tomorrow. I have Mary Smith that I'm counseling at 10, and I have Miss Jackson's class until from 12. It was supposed to be from 12:30 to 1:30. So what happens is, when I show up in the classroom and I log in to my School Counselor World account, I'm going to click on my calendar and see that I have scheduled to do this lesson. So I'm going to click download, and when I download this lesson, I can easily access the PowerPoint. Remember, if you need to print off any worksheets to go with this for students, you'll need to do that in advance, but you have your PowerPoint at your fingertips. There's no need to carry a flash drive around with you anymore. And here is my interactive PowerPoint. So I'm going to end this show so that I can continue to show you how to use the calendar. So let's just say on this same day that I want to add something else to my calendar. I'm going to click on, just a second, I made a mistake. I'm going to click on the 14th, and I want to type custom, and then I'm going to type ARC, and I can add a name if I want to. So let's just say it's Samuel. So Samuel's ARC is at 2 o'clock. And I don't need to add any materials since this is an ARC. I'm going to click Next and add this event. So now I have 3 things on my calendar, and I can use my calendar for any appointments. I can use it to schedule my lesson plans and have easy access to lesson plans. I can schedule it for my counseling sessions, and all you have to do when you get into a classroom is log into your School Counselor World account, and you have your calendar at your fingertips as well as your lesson plan. So this is how you access your calendar.